My advice and my suggestion is that you collaborate every chance you get. The more you do it, the better. And the more people that you collaborate with, even better than that, okay? Why? Because you're gonna get other viewpoints, other ideas, and other systems of songwriting and techniques that different songwriters use. It's pretty amazing. It'll open up your horizons and it'll take you out of your own little box of songwriting, because we've all got these little boxes that we go into. Okay, so we're all set in our ways when it comes to songwriting. All of us have our own particular steps that we take when we're writing a song, especially when we're starting off and trying to get that inspiration and that creativity. And that's the whole point of the melody experiment, by the way. It takes you out of that box. It gives you other ideas and other avenues and angles to come in and write a song from a different viewpoint and using different techniques than the ones that you've already used. And especially ones that are efficient and that work. Okay, that's the most important thing. But keep in mind that different people approach things in different ways. Songwriting is no different. And that's why on the course, there's a lot of different techniques. There's many different techniques that you can apply. Use the one that you gravitate towards the most. But you get stuck, if you get writer's block or whatever, just move on to the next technique. And that's the beauty of collaborating and co-writing with others. You're gonna see someone approach it in a different way, guaranteed. We're all individuals, we're all unique, and we all have a unique way and perspective of attacking a problem. And songwriting, in a way, is a bit of a problem, especially when you've firstly established your song, you're writing it, you got your foundation, you got your chord progression, you got your melodic line, and you're writing the lyrics, the inspiration can start leaving from you. The creativity can start becoming a problem. It's like, what phrase am I gonna put in here? What am I gonna fit in this line? With this many syllables, it starts becoming almost a mathematical problem sometimes. It's like, how am I gonna fit this in here and that and whatever? So having someone next to you, or even, you can even do it remotely now. You can co-write and collaborate remotely with people, which is amazing. There's plenty of forums where you can hook up with other songwriters. I highly recommend it.